Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. This video, as you've probably already seen from the thumbnail, is about a Hyundai i10 behind me. One of these, which is like the 2016 to 2018 shape. Now, if you've already got one of these and you've got the sat-nav higher end version of the car, you may be watching this because your factory sat-nav has gone up the Swanee, aka faulty. Unfortunately, and if you've already had a quote from Hyundai, you will know that the factory system is thousands to replace. In fact, let's actually show you what one it is as standard. That one, that is the culprit right there. That little system, I think it's about 4 or 5 grand, I think roughly, depending on which dealership you obviously ring. And you can't repair them. Well, there might be someone out there that can repair them, but the main reliable repairers out there are not offering to repair them because of parts shortages or something like that. And we're not going to go down a backstreet repair job because we've got to offer warranty and service to our clients. So we came up with a solution where we replace it. We put a different system in. Now, off-the-shelf solutions aren't available for this spec Hyundai i10. Most companies say it can't be done, but with a bit of initiative, you can do it, as you can see right here. Now, what in essence we do is we convert the dashboard from a sat-nav version to a non-sat-nav equipped version, which means you get your seatbelt warning lights here, you get your hazard switch here and your airbag switch here. This is what a non-facey sat-nav version Hyundai i10 looks like. Unfortunately, whoever removed this unit before did leave a bit of damage on the dashboard, so just a heads up, you guys, these aren't the easiest to take out. You see all these dig marks around, that's from the previous person that took it out. If it's faulty, make sure you take it to someone that knows how to get these out neatly, otherwise you've got forever damage on your dash. So just a heads up, be careful when doing this yourself. They're not easy to get out, they're very stiff. Now he's got a Pioneer DA77 DAB fitted now. There's quite a few models you can fit. We can fit a Kenwood DMX 8021, which is a slightly higher end model with 3 years warranty, but this Pioneer is a great unit. It's the entry level wireless CarPlay unit. Now, I will explain a few things. Factory USB still works, so that is actually going straight to the Pioneer, that USB port just there, just like the original one. Your steering wheel controls all still work, so if I actually just go to DAB radio and turn the volume down, the volume is going to go down. You'll be able to use track up and down, you'll be able to answer calls and hang up calls all from the steering wheel, just like the factory one would do. Now let's give you a little brief run through on the other features it comes with. For example, it comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, so if I go to my phone now, which I'm going to grab right now and get my phone connected, I can scroll down, I'm going to find the model, DA77 DAB, select, hit yes, hit allow, hit yes on the screen, and count to about 3. Oh, it would say that if I actually hit yes on the screen, then count to 3. And then up comes Apple CarPlay Connect, just like so. And then what it's doing now, it's now doing a handshake. Your phone can just stay over there, and then Apple CarPlay is going to come on the screen just like so, giving the customer access to Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze navigation, and all the radio applications, internet radio you can use, Tidal, YouTube Music, Spotify, all the apps. I use YouTube Music myself, so I can go to YouTube Music, I can then go to Last Played, Library, or I could just literally go to my Mega Mix, start playing what I usually listen to. Eminem, yeah, how fitting, that's kind of what I use to every day. Let's turn that down. Yeah, it looks good. Utilises the original DAB aerial, so no extra aerial on the windscreen because this car had factory DAB. The only thing we do, we don't utilise the original Hyundai microphone. We fit a microphone from Pioneer just up there, nice and subtle. But as you can see, it's a seamless integration job. No expensive bills from Hyundai, no like waiting for weeks while you possibly may or may not get it repaired. This is a same day turnaround job, so drop off in the morning, pick up in the afternoon. This customers come from 3 hours away. We get customers coming from all over the country to get this done. Hopefully more dealers around the UK will eventually cotton on to how you do it and offer it so you can get it done locally, but if not, we get people travelling from abroad. Jaguar XKR there. That's all the way from France over the weekend. Literally got on a ferry to get the job done. So if you don't mind travelling to us, we'll do a great job for you. This is Connor from John Cleese Car Audio. Thanks to Toby who installed it. We hope you see you soon. Ciao.